Hello everyone. I hope you're having a blessed day. In today's video, we are going to craft a meal. I wanted to share with you one of my most favorite meals. It is so simple to make and you can customize it. This is my fried cabbage and sausage meal for two. Now it will make a lot, but what's nice is you will have leftovers. And that's what I like. So what you'll need for this recipe is some smoked sausage of your choice. You could do Polish sausage, whatever is your favorite. A head of cabbage. A can of diced tomatoes. I got these at Aldi's. I'm using Cajun seasoning, so today my recipe is going to be Cajun style. Salt, pepper, and a chopped onion. This is a whole chopped onion, and that's because I really like onions, but you could tailor it to however you like it. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up my sausage. Once I have this chopped, I'm going to throw it into my cast iron pan and I will cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So easy, and this is so delicious. It's nice because with hubby and I working swing shifts, there'll always be something in the fridge that we can grab and warm up. So I've got this chopped. I'm going to put about a tablespoon or so of olive oil in my cast iron skillet and get this cooking. I'm going to cook the sausage on medium high. Just lay down some olive oil in there. Throw in my sausage and let that cook for a little bit. Now it's time to chop up the cabbage. This is my least favorite part because I hate cutting up cabbage. Take off these leaves and then I just kind of go down from the side and start slicing. Throw it in the strainer. Cabbage is chopped. I'm going to rinse this and this will be ready to cook. The sausage is ready to come out, so I'll just pull that out. I'm going to turn this down to about medium. I had it on medium high. And I'm going to add a half a stick of butter. You don't have to, I just like to saute my onions in butter. We'll add the onions. And saute those for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're soft. Now it's time to add the cabbage. And it will wilt down, so no worries there. And to aid in the wilting down process, I'm going to throw a lid on here for about 5 minutes. And I do have the heat on medium low. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Kind of stir this up a little. Oh, it smells good already. If you like cabbage. You can see where it's already starting to wilt. Just stir that really good, and I'm going to cook it a few more minutes. I want it crisp and tender, if that makes sense. And you'll just cook to your liking. I'm going to add the diced tomatoes and stir those in really good. Everything looks well incorporated. I want to add my Cajun seasoning, as much or as little as you like. Some salt, pepper, our sausage, and look at that. That looks so delicious. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. It's a one-pan meal, which I really like. Now that I have everything stirred together, I'm going to take this up to medium-high and stir fry for about 5 minutes. I've stirred this up really well. I'll let it stir fry for a few more minutes, and then we'll try it out. It's ready to try, and here's what it looks like. So yummy. Let's give it a try. A little bit of the tomato, some of the cabbage. It's going to be very hot. This is so delicious. I hope you'll give it a try. So easy to put together. I'll have meals for a couple days now. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, God bless.